Hey guys, it's Kate, of course. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Now, I have another pre-cut lace curly wig. This one is longer than the last one I showed you. I think the last one I showed you was 20 inches. This one is 24. And remember how I said I don't know which one I want to keep and which ones I want to give away? I think I'm going to keep this one just because I just love the length, even though the 20 inch, but the lace on this one is just like really good, you guys. I didn't have to add any finishing powder or anything to blend in the lace. The only thing I did was bleach the knot. But anyway, this is what we are looking like. So if you are interested in this wig, you're going to want to keep watching because I did not do pretty much anything to this wig but bleach the knots. But because I bleached the knots, I did go in and wash the hair and let it air dry. And this is its natural curl. Again, this is 24 inches. All right, y'all, let's get into this wig. Here is the packaging, a nice little gold packaging they sent over. I do believe it had like a pink bow wrapped around it. It was really cute. So, of course, you know the wig got to come with some goodies. It did come with lashes, an elastic headband. It also came with a baby hair brush and some wig caps. Now, on to this wig, because y'all can see I am very much excited. Right here, I'm showing you the lace. It is a 5x5 lace closure, pre-cut closure wig. I did go in and bleach the knots. The knots does not come bleached, but the hairline does come pre-plucked. Now, the way the construction is on this wig, it does not come with combs. If you don't like combs, you're going to love this wig. So definitely check out the description box. But if you do like combs, you can always sew them in. Now, I did over bleach the knots just a little bit, but once you put it on your head, you can't tell. Now, from me bleaching the knots, I did have to go in and wash the hair. And this is how the curls came out. Very much juicy and very full, but still lightweight at the same time. I definitely enjoy wearing this wig for sure, y'all, and it fits my head to a T. So I'm not adding anything to this wig. No got to be glue, nothing. I am strictly just wearing it regular. I don't know why I said I'm just strictly. I'm wearing this thing glueless, y'all. If you have a smaller size head like me, I did get a cap size small, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I do feel like I could have went in and added some finishing powder to the lace, but besides that, the lace actually blends in very good, you guys. I do have my ring light on, so I feel like the reflection of the light hitting up against this lace, like you can see it a tad bit throughout the video, like in the beginning and in the end. But I promise you, in person, I even posted this wig on my story on Instagram. Y'all, it straight looked like scalp. I promise you, this wig, the lace on here, not detectable. And for me bleaching the knots, like, it just looks so good. I love this wig, y'all. But that's basically what I did. I did a little flip over and boom. Now the quality of this clip did just change because now I'm using my phone. I'll be going back and forth between my phone and my camera. But y'all let me know what y'all think. And if you are interested, check below in the description box. I cannot talk. Check below in the description box because there will be links to the wig that I am showing you guys today in this video. But yeah, quick, simple, easy. Looking for something that you don't have to put work into. Definitely check out this wig. I mean, although I did bleach the knots on this wig, you really don't need it because the way that the hairline is plucked, it just looks good. So either way, bleaching or adding finishing powder to the lace, it's still going to give you the same effect. It's going to slay. Period.
I wish you let me do her.
Look at that, y'all. My son is taking his life away. Like, no finishing powder, no absolutely nothing. I did not pluck this. It came like that. Oh. She looks so Pretty, pretty brown eyes. You know